Welcome to Balanced Fridays Yoga with Toms. Today we're going to celebrate and express the qualities of Venus and Libra. That means we're trying to express our self-love through balanced action, through inhalation, exhalation, opening and closing, and expressing ourselves in our favorite poses like Navasana. And with that said, let's start the practice with finding one thing we feel grateful for. And one thing I feel grateful for today is that finally, after months and months of having gray sky with barely any rays of sun, starting from yesterday, also today, finally we have a bit of sun going out of the clouds. Sun is shining and the days are a bit more cheerful here, while still not being too hot as well. So it's a nice balance here on the weather in Las Palmas, the Gran Canaria, and let me know in the comment section one thing you feel grateful for. And let's open up the class sitting down here with mantra Om with gratitude. So mantra Om consists of three sounds: A, O, and So let's bring our hands up above the head into pray position with inhalation. Exhaling, bring them down in front of our chest. Still pray position. Feel free to close your eyes. And with next inhalation deeply, prepare for enchanting mantra. Or call it singing if you like. Now gently open up the eyes and start finding or dancing your way onto the mat. Today we start the class jumping, dancing, releasing any tension from your body. So find your way on your mat and jump it out, relaxing your shoulders. Anyway, do feel free to make any movements whatsoever which make you happy, express yourself. I encourage you to do a bit of jumping and a bit of loosening out the body. Any movements are fine, and probably most likely there's no one watching anyway, so there's no reason to judge yourself because no one else is doing that either. Loosen your body, interrupt the usual patterns from your body, and just express yourself freely. Start paying attention to your breathing. And gently slow down to the standing position and continue with rolling your hips. With inhalation, roll them forward. Exhalation, back. Inhaling forward. Exhaling back. Inhaling forward. Exhaling back. And change direction. Inhalation forward, making circles with your hips. Exhaling back. Synchronize your movements with your breath. First comes the breath, then follows the movement. Exhaling back. Inhaling forward. Exhaling back. Well done. Let's gently move down into the squat. Find your way, going from side to side. Exhale till you find yourself squatting down on the ground. Let's bring our arms in front of the chest, pray position, or reverse the palms facing downwards. Opening up your palms, opening up your hips, moving from side to side. Option 1, you can stay here If you need to, you can bring your heels off the ground. Option 2, bring your arms on your knees and bring your knees one by one onto the ground. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Feel free to twist. Same time you do this motion, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Well done. One more inhale up and one more exhale down. Inhale up and find your way into the seated position. Butt on the ground. Feel free to rotate your legs towards the long side of the mat. And let's find ourselves in a favorite position. One of the most favorite positions, maybe after Savasana, is Navasana. So both pose. Feel free to use your hands as support. Feel free to bend your legs, tiptoe, or straighten them out. And open up the chest. Let's stay here for 4 deep breaths. Inhale. Open up the chest. Exhale 4. Try to have a smile in your face. Inhale. Exhale out. Inhale. Exhale 2. Inhale. Circle your wrists. And exhaling, cross your legs. Arms on the ground. And with next inhalation, lift your butt off the ground. Optionally, also lift your legs. And stay here for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done. Bring your butt on the ground and return for the second round of our Navasana. Enjoy it while you do it. And stay here for 4. Observe your breathing and observe your facial muscles. Try to relax your face. Relax your jaw. Maybe have a smile in your face. 3. Maybe try to talk. Say hello to your neighbors and see how actually hear how your voice sounds. If you're relaxed in the position for 2 and 1, cross your legs, arms around. Lift your butt off the ground and stay here for 3, 2, and 1. Return back to the ground to the third and final round of Navasana. This time, let's circle our feet in a bicycle. With inhalation, right knee towards chest. Exhale out. Left to the chest. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Feel free to use your arms behind the back for support. Inhale. Buenos dias. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more inhale. And one more exhale. With inhalation, bend your knees towards your chest. Inhalation, lift your hands up. With exhalation, cross your legs, arms on the ground. And with inhalation, lift your butt off the ground. Stay here for 3, 2, and 1. Well done. Lower yourself on the ground and lean towards the tabletop. Cat and cow. With inhalation, open up the chest, pelvis up, chin up. Exhalation, chin to the chest, pelvis forward, shoulders up, arch your back. Inhalation, open up the chest, chin up, pelvis up. And with exhalation, pelvis forward. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. One more. Inhalation, open up the chest. pelvis up, and with exhalation, lower yourself down into the child's pose. Bringing your knees together, sliding your arms forward, relaxing your head on the ground. Take a deep inhale here. Exhale out. Inhale. Feel your belly touching your legs. Exhale out. Inhale. Exhale out. And with next inhalation, sit up into the tabletop position. Exhale here. With inhalation, bring your right leg up behind the back. Exhalation, bring it toward the chest. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Next inhalation, open. And exhalation, bring your leg between your hands into the middle. Bend your knee, 90 angle. Exhale here. And with inhalation, lift your hands up into the lower lounge. Let's stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhalation, bring your hands down the ground and bring your leg back. Let's go for other side. With inhalation, lift your left leg up. Exhalation towards the chest. Inhale, open the leg back up. Exhale, close. Chin to the chest, leg to the chest. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. One more, open and closing. Bring your left leg between your hands. Exhaling down. With inhalation, bring your hands up into the lower lounge with your left knee 90-degree angle, right knee on the ground. Let's stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhalation. Bring your hands down on the ground. Step your left leg back and find yourself down onto the ground into the child's pose. Stay here as long as you like, taking deep inhale in, exhale out. Deep inhale in, exhale out. Continue on your own breathing. Try and have as deep inhalations and exhalations as you can. And relax. Enjoy the posture. And whenever ready, keeping your eyes closed, find yourself into the easy seated position. Straighten your spine, open up your chest, keep your eyes closed, and observe your mind. Observe what kind of thoughts you have at the present moment. Without need to dive into the future, past, and expectations. Present is challenging enough to observe. So make your job easy on yourself and just observe the present. Observe how these thoughts, if any, evolve into the stories. And then if you notice any stories in your head, in your mind, notice how they transform into the feelings and emotions you feel radiating out from your heart. So observe your heart. And finally, let's close the class and chanting mantra Om. With inhalation, bring your hands up above the head, pray position. Exhaling, bring them down in front of the chest. Take a deep inhale in, preparing for singing out one of our favorite songs called Ah, O, and Now let's start rubbing our hands against each other till they start generating heat. Start rubbing them faster and faster and keep your eyes closed until you feel heat generating between your palms. Separate your hands and place them over your face, over your eyes, feeling the heat from your hands on top of your face. Gently open up the eyes while your hands still covering the face, and slowly start bringing your hands gently away from your face while still looking, focusing your gaze on your own hands in front of you. Notice the small details in your hands and bring them slowly back into the pray position in front of your chest, in front of the heart. Namaste. Congratulations for making it through this class. Hope you enjoyed it way more than I did because I got bitten all over the place by these weird looking flies. Like looks like regular fly but they bite and it hurts a bit. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this class way more than I did, and if you did, let me know one thing you feel grateful for. Let me know in the comment section just below this video one thing you feel grateful for. As usual, feel free to smash that like button, letting other people how did you like or didn't like this class, and also use the comment section for sharing your thoughts. As usual, try to stay present during the day as well as stepping off the mat. Observe how you step off the mat, observe your breathing, and try to have a smile on your face, signaling your body that you're happy, you're taken care of, and life is turning out for the better. And with that said, see you on the next one. Oops.